Hi, I'm Jen Schwartz, Realtor with Treeline Realty, and this is the new construction community of Timber Creek. Let's go take a look. I'm here with Zach, a new home consultant with Lennar Homes. So thanks so much for taking the time to chat with me for a few minutes. Tell me what residents can look forward to living in this community.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I appreciate you coming out, taking a little time to look at Timber Creek here. All right, so yeah, we have our amenity center under construction right now. It's a big thing that the residents are looking forward to. We're gonna have a whole nice resort style setup there, really bring together the lifestyle of the community that we're going for here in Timber Creek. You're gonna have on-site restaurants, you'll have a bunch of different pools. It's really gonna feel like you're kind of at a destination vacation resort here. So we're really, that's coming along really well, and that's kind of what everybody's looking forward to right now.
Awesome, thanks Zach. Yeah. Is it okay if we go check out some of the models?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's go.
Take a look.
So we're sitting here in the Somerville model. Zach, tell me a little bit about the features of this particular model.
Yeah, so the Somerville is always going to be one of our most popular plans here. This home's a 3-bedroom plus a den with 3 bathrooms and a 3-car garage. We're sitting here kind of breaking from the kitchen into the living space, and this is really the highlight of this home. If you can see here, we have a huge kitchen island, a nice large kitchen. It's right off of your living space, your dining room. You got in the light from the nice big sliders in the back. It's just a great open area for entertaining, for you and your family, or if you're entertaining friends, other family, things like that.
Perfect. And tell me a little bit about what a buyer can expect building with Lennar.
Yeah, so the great thing about buying with Lennar is rather than walking through our models and seeing a bunch of features that you may like and can't get, we include a lot of our upgrades in the price of your home, so it's very easy for you to walk through one of our models and get a real nice picture of what your home will actually look like as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much for that. Let's go check out another model.
Absolutely.
So we're sitting here in the Trevi model. Tell me a few of the features about this model.
Yeah, so this Trevi, it's a little bit smaller than the Somerville we just came from. This home's about 2,032 square feet, has a full 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and then this comes with a 2-car garage as well. Similar features to the Somerville in the sense that it is very wide open. Your kitchen, your dining, your living, your entertaining space is all essentially one open space here. What's also really nice is I really like the bedroom setup. Everybody sort of gets their own wing, so you have a little privacy, having the owner's suite in the back off of the lanai. And then you're gonna have a separate ensuite for one of the guest bedrooms down one hallway, and down the 3rd hallway, the other 2 bedrooms. So everybody's got their own space to operate in this one, which a lot of people really like.
Makes it great for guests.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Yep.
Thanks. So we're sitting in the Orchid model. Tell me a little bit about this model. What type of buyer might be interested in something like this?
Yep, so the Orchid's one of our attached twin villas here. So you're side by side, you do get a 2-car garage. This one in particular is 1,564 square feet. It's 2 bedrooms plus this den that we're sitting in here, and then 2 full bathrooms as well. What's great about the Orchid is, one, it gives you the opportunity, to jump into Timber Creek, to enjoy the lifestyle, everything that we have to offer in here. And the way that we've structured the community, it's very low maintenance. Everything on the outside here is going to be taken care of for you. Your landscaping, you're cutting up the grass, all of that stuff. So this is something, if you're going to be down here part of the year, you can shut the door and leave. Or if this is something, your first home and you're just jumping into things here, it's very manageable and you still have a nice amount of space as well.
Perfect. Well, Zach, I think this concludes our time together, so I want to thank you so much for taking the time out to meet with me and talk a little bit about the models here at Timber Creek. If you're in the area, definitely feel free to reach out to either myself or Zach. We'd love to help you.
Absolutely, I appreciate you coming out and taking the time to look through everything we have here.
Thank you.